go.
Hi, I'm Sharia,
And I'm Amanda.
and this is our example of a two-tailed t-test. Our example problem is, on average, survivors' outlook on the future scores a 12.19 on a scale from 1 to 20. After a year, about 365 days, a sample of survivors were tested on their outlook on future scores. We predict that survivors would have low scores on the outlook of the future. These are our scores, our 14, which makes our low end 14. The first thing we do is find our sum of squares. We add these all up. We find our sum of squared x's, which we square each one individually and then add those totals. And then our squared sum of x, which we just square the sum that we found in the first part. The second thing we do is find our standard variance. So we take our sum of squared x's and our squared sum of x's divided by our n, which is 14, and then divided by 13, because 14 minus 1 would be 13, and that gives us 3.0769 for our standard variance. We use this to plug into our t obtain equation, our mean minus the mu, divided by the square root of standard variance divided by our n, which is again 14. This gave us a negative 6.8045, and our t-crit, being two-tailed on page 423, would be 2.160, which tells us that this is significant. There is a significant relationship between the how or what the outlooks of the survivor's score. Okay, our mu was 12.19 because that was our average score. And then so this is telling us it's insignificant because it is beyond the t-crit of 2.160 because this is a plus or minus score. So,
And this is how you do a 2T sample test.
Thank you.